Official, the new and improved bald eagle. Imagine a bald eagle that can swim underwater and do anything a normal fish can do, as well as an eagle that will soar through the sky. It is now possible through bioengineering to combine a bald eagle and a swordfish. You might be wondering, what is bioengineering? Bioengineering integrates physical, chemical, or mathematical science and engineering principles for the study of biology, medicine, behavior, or health. It advances fundamental concepts, creates knowledge for the molecular to the organ systems level, and develops innovative biologics, material, processes, implants, device, and informatics approaches for the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment for disease, for patient rehabilitation, and for improving health. How is it possible? Through genetic mutation. In order to combine these two completely different species, it is necessary to alter their DNA. Why is DNA so important? DNA is a blueprint of life. DNA are the instructions to make the proteins in order to make every aspect of the species itself. That includes the physical characteristics and abilities such as hair, eyesight, smell, or anything on the physical characteristics. Each protein is encoded by a gene which is a specific sequence of DNA nucleotides that specifies how a single protein is to be made. The order of nucleotides within a gene specifies the order and type of amino acids that must be put together to make a protein. And the proteins are what are going to be determining the characteristics of the new animal. As you can see in the diagram, at the top is a DNA helix, double helix. The DNA sequence contains genetic codes, such as in the diagram G, C, A, AGA, GAT, AAT, and TGT. Each of these three genetic codes are what are the materials to make protein. Each of these create a nucleotide which creates pattern to make a protein. What to do with DNA? The scientist would inherit the original traits from nature. The original traits that are wanted from the DNA of the swordfish is then inserted into the gametes of the bald eagle. This would have altered the genetic code of the animal so that it would display the desired characteristics, and through the process of meiosis, it duplicates the cells that will eventually create the new organism. As you can see in the diagram above, on the left side, it shows a regular DNA molecule. However, through mutation on the right, scientists are able to mutate each of the genetic codes to create a different DNA. This would cause the DNA with the mutation to create a different protein that may cause different characteristics in the organism. And this is what the scientists are going to use in order to create the new organism Feagle by combining the DNA from the eagle and mutating it with the DNA from the swordfish. Reproduction. In order to create this new animal, scientists would take the egg of a bald eagle and fertilize it with the altered DNA of the swordfish. However, just like mating a donkey and a horse, it will create a mule. Just like this, it cannot reproduce due to it not having any sex organ. Characteristics of the animal. The animal that is being created would have the body of an eagle, however contain features of a swordfish. The new bald eagle would have the fins and gills of the swordfish, yet contain its wings and talons just like a regular eagle so that it will be able to fly and do just about anything a normal eagle can do, yet with an added feature of being able to swim underwater in order to catch its prey. How will the traits benefit the organism? The swordfish is one of the world's most fastest fish that can approximately travel 45 miles per hour. With these traits, the new bald eagle is then capable of quickly moving through water to catch prey. The bald eagle's diet mostly consists of fish, and with these traits obtaining food would not be a problem at all. And thank you for listening to my presentation.